Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own Python script which will be able to check the price of any product. This will be super useful if you want to check the price of more than 5 products. Let me show how you can do that. Before doing anything, we should install this Selenium and WebDriver for your specific browser. Link to download WebDriver will be in the description box. After downloading WebDriver, copy it and paste it in this directory. To install Selenium, go to terminal, type pip install Selenium, then hit enter. It should install Selenium package. Now we are good to code. Open your favorite text editor, then start by importing WebDrivers from Selenium. Write the simple line to check everything is working fine. If it is, browser should open up. Now we know everything is working fine. Try to open a specific link with get function. I'm going to use this ASUS TUF A15 as an example. Copy the HTML and CSS of this page into a variable with page underscore source function. Now we need to write this HTML and CSS code into a text file. Further, we can write this code. At this point, if you try to run this code, you will get this Unicode error, especially if you are running this code in Windows. Unlike other operating systems based on Debian like Kali Linux, Ubuntu, Mint, etc., comes pre-installed with Python, which is configured to use UTF-8 encoding. But unfortunately, Windows doesn't come pre-installed with Python. Basically, encoding means converting a character or a string into a set of bytecodes. There are so many encodings, but ASIC and UTF-8 are the most commonly used encodings. These ASIC and UTF-8 are just like a lookup table in which there will be a character and set of bytecode columns. There are symbols, numbers and alphabets in character column and specific bytecode to that character in bytecode column. ASIC can represent at most with a resolution of 7-bit, so it's 128 characters. UTF-8 and UTF-16 are 8-bit and 16-bit respectively. While installing Python in Windows, it installs few modules which can be used as a lookup table ladder for encoding. In our case, it's a cp1252.py module. If you open this file, you will find this mapping here. In case if you are interested to know which encoding is being used in your laptop by Python, just open Python interpreter in terminal or CMD, import this locale module which comes pre-installed with Python, then use this getPreferredEncoding function, then print it out. Now you should know which language is being used by Python in your laptop. Just to let you know, I am running the same code in Kali Linux which confirms it uses UTF-8 encoding. So now I hope you got the point why we are getting this Unicode error. We need to tell to Python to use specifically this UTF-8 encoding. We can do that with this input-output module. Here we are creating and opening this text file in write mode and telling it to use UTF-8 encoding. If you have ever noticed a notepad, it uses UTF-8 encoding to avoid these errors. Then we write everything into this text file. Open this text file in read mode and we pass every line in text file with a for loop. We need to convert every line into string because line may contain symbol, number or alphabet together. We need to find an ID or a class which is unique with that line in which our price lies. To do that, we need to run this program once, which creates a text file with a bunch of code in it. Then open the text file, click Ctrl F to open Finder, then type price once. Then find the line and identify the unique class or ID. If you can't, no problems, whole line should do the trick. Throw an if condition to compare the strings, then run the file and check whether it is finding the correct line or not. Then we need to extract the price from that line. For that we can use this rsplit function. This rsplit function comes inbuilt with Python, and what it does is we need to pass a character or a symbol. It takes it as a reference and splits the line into two parts if it finds the symbol or a character, and it gives us a list as an output. Here I used two rsplits to remove front and back text. Now we can print out the price. So it works, and you can use these two lines to make browser invisible. So that's how you can create your own Python script for checking the price of any product in any website. I hope you learned something new in this video. If you have, then hit that like, share and subscribe buttons. With that said, see you in next video.